Marketeers trading at Kapalala market in Ndola's Masala area have expressed their displeasure in the manner that various empowerment initiatives are being handled. They say that there is no well-structured mechanism for one to access empowerment funds, except whenever their former member of parliament, Bowman Lusambo, would visit the market and splash out huge sums of money, throwing it in the air for anyone to catch. The traders say that they want an empowerment mechanism that is accessible by all traders, not just a selected few.
Mulandu wakwe bataba lumendo nga babakolonga na ifo baratuposa twayayitena no kuyicena bandi balina mu hospital mulandu na baboma na tulande na bena bale kushinga so therefore baboma ninga bandi twalanda na bena basita ko empowerment katulete ka meeting ya kwa bati bana market ni bana market no tsaba lumendo tulabatina balumendo bali kwatamaka so therefore baboma ni kwa bakatandalile pano pali kota pera twalande na bena era kwa empowerment therefore baboma ni batulete shepo noti babatu membia babela abantu bashika chibuku wale babela abantu makondena bambita bana chibuku techo twali da chibuku mwana wa kunga na chibuku wawe bambita bana chibuku wawe no bala chitanga bashita chibuku drum era bamba kupera mtu makondena taku waku mweni bale kule mbia bale tubale sepa no pera papa kota pera ba tukati kalikola no baba kula kongo bamupera abantu wakanya twita muri capital noti chibuku ilabate mu kushita tatuma ifwe muri ba Kristo nisaba Seventh Day Adventist. Even some bus conductors claim that they have not benefited from any empowerment schemes so far.
By MP.
Ni Bowman Lusambo, Bowman Lusambo. Bena Masala bapoza vendama, bapoza vendama, tulezampa. Takwaba kutupera muri banga. Twala kuisa. Mwaipenda yo ina lava tola paka fubwa okabombo kukafu. Abana lava tola pesa tababa ko tubomba. Chula.
However, by press time, the former Kabushi member of parliament said he was not able to respond as he was on his way to Ndola.
I'm going to Ndola now. I'm going to Ndola. I'll call you when I reach Ndola.
Virginia Chilongo, Movie TV News.